Central government has given permission to all states to reopen their schools. Yes, this is a big breaking news which we are going to discuss today in this video. So hello everybody, welcome back to Kingdom of Learning. Kingdom of Learning is a platform which provides you not only educational videos but rather this is a one-stop destination for authentic and valid educational news also. So if you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, do it fast. So in today's video we are going to discuss about the decision of the central government that all the states can open their schools fully from 21st September if they want. So for this, central government has provided certain guidelines to all the states, and what are these guidelines? You have to check them out. That first of all they have to see that all the students, those who want to come to school, they have to bring a written permission from their parents. They will not exchange anything with each other. There will not be any assemblies. There will not be any PT periods, means students will not be allowed to go to the grounds for these. And the most important thing is that those schools should not come under containment zones. So these permissions have been granted by the central government to the state governments, and the whole decision has been left upon the state governments. So if they want to open their schools fully, they can open them. So now we have to see how many states are ready to reopen their schools. Some of the states have already started like opening their schools. I have told you in my previous video, so you can check them out. So certain guidelines are being followed by those states. You can see in these pictures that how social distancing is being maintained, that on the grounds also certain circles or some squares are made so that social distancing is maintained in the schools. So I'm showing you the pictures, you can check them out. Moreover, students' temperature is also to be checked every day. So that will be another thing, that if you want to open your school managements will have to make arrangements to check the temperature of all the students when they enter in the school. So school managements will have to make so many arrangements to maintain hygiene and cleanliness in their schools. ACs will not be allowed to operate, and moreover all the windows and doors will be left open. All these changes school managements will have to do. One more major change will be that in all the schools one isolation ward will be opened. So this will be an added responsibility of the school managements, because there are many schools which do not have even enough rooms for the students. So they will have to create one isolation room for all the children. So all these things are to be followed by the state governments if they want to open their schools. So now just wait for a call from your school. When do you have to report to your school? So best of luck to all the students and teachers. So now be ready with your bags. So thank you everybody. Do subscribe to the channel and share this video.